Namaste. Have you ever pondered about your personality? Not many people think about it that way. When we say personality, it has so many aspects. One is the physical aspect, the appearance of a person. And then the second is, of course, how the person talks, how the person walks, how the person behaves. Everything becomes all together comes in as the personality of a person. But when we say personality, it also has a lot of positive things, the plus points that are there in you, and maybe there are some minus points also. The plus points are those things about which you feel proud. I am very tall, so you feel very proud. But maybe something else is not okay. Then you say, okay, this should have been better for me. So there maybe, it keeps on playing on your mind. So if you think about it, when we say the personality of a person, what exactly do we mean? When you meet a person for the first time, and I'm sure you will agree with me, the first thing that you absorb is the appearance of the person. That is what you first absorb. How is the person? How does the person look? Is he tall or short? Is he fair or dark skinned or brown skinned? How are the eyes? How is the nose? Everything connected with the appearance of the person comes in first. Second comes the way the person talks. Then that gives you it makes you understand the thought process of that person. So how they talk, how they behave, whether the person is speaking kindly or whether the person is a bit harsh, what kind of thoughts is he bringing out. So is he a knowledgeable person, is he intelligent or not. So all this you try to understand by listening to the person. And then as you meet the person again and again, the behavior of the person, how he acts, how he walks, how he talks, so many things. So all this constitutes the personality of a person. So something about the body, many things about the body, and then many things about the mind and the characteristics, everything constitutes the personality. So would you like to make your personality better? I am sure everybody would like to. And how can we do it? Let us see how you can systematically work on your personality and make it better. Now for this, the most important thing is you need to first understand what are your plus points and what are your minus points. So I would suggest that you sit and first make a list. First about your physical appearance. What are the good things there? You can include that also in the list, because you need to acknowledge whatever is good with you, whatever you can be happy about. Of course, when it comes to the physical appearance, it's God given. Certain things you cannot change. If a person is short, then after a certain age, you can't really wish that you would grow tall. It may not happen. So those things you have to accept. But there are many things which can be changed also when it comes to the weight of a person. So many people want to reduce their weight. So think about that. So that is one thing about your appearance which can change. Some people want to put on weight, so that also you can write. And maybe other things about your appearance, like your eyes can be brighter, your hair can be better, your nails can look better. There are so many small things like that. So spend some time and write down all this, because there are many things which can be improved upon with your effort. So make an effort to write down the list. First is of course the appearance and the physical appearance, of course. Then you move on to the physical side only, but to the health aspect. So when it comes to health, you think about your BP, think about your sugar and any other problems that you may have. If you have any ailment or any discomfort, you can note that down also. So that we finish about the physical appearance and the body of yourself, whatever you're going through. Then comes the mind, and then will come the behavior. So when it comes to the mind, think about your thought process, think about how you speak, whether it is clear enough, whether you speak with clarity, or whether you need to improve the way of talking, and then anything else in your behavior, whether you're able to do things on time, or whether you're a little bit lethargic, whether you should improve that, if you should get up early in the morning, if you should meditate every day, if you should finish your work on time, be more punctual. These are all traits in a person which constitute the personality of a person. So this way, when you write down, you will be able to understand what are all the points that you can work on. Certain things maybe you can't really change, maybe you just have to accept them, that's fine. But those that can be changed, those that can be modified, you must work on. So make a list first of all. First the physical aspect, the appearance, then the health. Those two are concerning the body. Then comes the mind, and then comes the behavior. How do you behave with people? Do you speak kindly with them, or are you losing patience with people, or are you always angry with people, and how do you present yourself? All this comes under behavior. So write down every point that comes to your mind, what all you would like to improve, all that. And finally you can also write about your financial status and one or two other goals that you would like to achieve. Financial status meaning what is your income or your family income now. If you are satisfied with it, you can just say satisfactory. Otherwise, maybe you have to improve it. Now, having written down all these points, you will understand how many points you can really work on and improve your personality completely. I added the financial status and other goals because ultimately that also matters to make your mind more confident. So, add those. Now, what you should do is you will now, based on these points that you have written, you will now prepare a biodata, a very simple biodata for yourself, and we will call it my personal page, and that will be your future biodata, because on the right side you are not going to write what you have today, you are going to write what you wish to have. Now let us see how to prepare this biodata. First will come the name, your name, and that is not going to change. So you say name and write down your name. And maybe the second, I am just giving you an example, so you can go through this and prepare your own personal page. The second item you can say height. Now depending on your age, if you are within 20, then maybe there is a possibility of improving the height. If you are beyond 20, then generally the possibility is almost not there, so it does not matter. So in that case, just write down what your height is and leave it there. But if you are a younger person, a very young person, then today if you are 5'5" and you want to be at least 5'7" or 5'9", write down what you wish to be and start working on it. So that is the purpose. Then comes weight. When it comes to weight, you will say weight on the left, and on the right side you will not write what you have today, you will write what you wish to have. Now supposing your weight is 70 kilos, let us say, but you would like to be only 55. So on the right side you will not write 70, you will write only 55. And supposing a person wants to gain weight, then on the right side you will not write what you have today, which may be 45, 40 or 42 or something which is very low. You may want to weigh 55 at least. So then right side you will write 55. So I think now you understand this biodata is called the future biodata. So you are making it, you are creating it for yourself. Write everything about your appearance and then about your health. When it comes to health, you will say BP, and on the right side, even if it is high today, you will write normal because that's what you want. And sugar level, you will write normal. So similarly, whatever else is causing concern to you regarding your health, write down those points, and on the right side you can say that it is either normal or functioning well or whatever is appropriate for that. So you finished about the body, the appearance, then the health. Now we come to the mind. When it comes to personality, the mind is also very important. So you can write there expression, self-expression. If you are a person who always speaks out very easily, then you can say good or excellent. But if you feel you have to work on that, then you think about how you would like it to be. You would like it to be excellent. So you are not going to write there that it needs to be improved. Don't write that. You will write there that your self-expression is excellent. Today it may not be excellent, but you will work on it. So in future it is going to be excellent. So you write only excellent or wonderful or some nice word like that. So that way, then write about your behavior. As I mentioned, all the different aspects of your behavior, how you behave with people, are you you will write there loving and kind or caring, those kind of words, and whatever else you would like to add. And then your financial status, whether if it is really good today, then you can just write satisfactory. If it is not good today also, on the right side you are only going to write satisfactory, or you are going to write how much you would like to earn per month or per year, whatever is your comfort. So you are not going to write there whatever is there today, you are going to write what you wish to see in your life in future. So that way you complete writing your biodata, and I suggest that you try and write it in one page, so it's easier for you to visualize. If you can type it and make a printout, that will be wonderful. Then look at that page nicely. Every aspect that you have written, try to absorb that page. So it's called my personal page, and just register it in your mind and keep that page carefully somewhere. You can even add a date on it and keep it somewhere. Then the best way to get all these things done, generally I would say meditate at the alpha level and visualize each and every one of these things happening. That's the normal thing we do. But if I say that now, then you may really be bewildered and you may wonder how to visualize so many things. So it is not so easy. So let us make it very easy now. So you need not visualize one by one. If you are a person who knows alpha meditation, if you have attended my classes, then you go to the alpha level. If you are an alpha siddha, it's very easy. You know how to do that. Go to the alpha level, and after you finish whatever you generally do in that level, your visualization of goals or whatever, or talking to somebody's subconscious mind, all that you finish. And at the end, bring this page to your mind. Just look at it and shower colors on it. I've taught about the colors in the classes. Just shower all the colors on it, and every item that you have written on that page will get energized. But if you are a person who has not attended our classes, it doesn't matter. If you are a meditator, well and good. But if you don't even meditate, you're not in the habit of meditating, then take 5 minutes for this. That much is enough. Sit down and just do simple deep breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Do this at least 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, till you feel very calm and good. That is as good as being in a meditative state. And then when you are in that state, when you feel good and calm, bring this page to your mind. Just look at that page and mentally send a lot of energy to that whole page, and give yourself a command and say, every item on this page is getting activated. It is getting energized. Once you give that command, then automatically your mind energy reaches every item on that page, and it starts getting activated and it starts working for you. Do this every day, at least once. And after some time, if you take out that page and see, you will be surprised to see how many things have improved the way you wanted it to improve, because you know how it was when you started off. So if you look at it, there will be a lot of change, and that way you can build the personality that you want. You can mold your personality to be a very attractive one, to be a very successful one, to look good, and whatever else you want. It is in your hands. You can definitely do it. So try this out and let me know how you feel. Your comments you can write in this channel itself, or you can email me. So let me know how it works for you. I will be very interested. Try it out and see.